وحسن أخلاقنا بالحلم وسهل لنا أبواب فضلك وانصر علينا من خزائن رحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين وبه نستعين على أمور الدنيا والدين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا ومولانا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. نويت التعلم والتعليم والتذكر والتذكير والنفع والانتفاع والإفادة والاستفادة والدعاء إلى الهدى والدلالة على الخير والتمسك بكتاب الله وبسنة رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم ابتغاء مرضات الله وقربه وثوابه سبحانه وتعالى. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم. الفاتحة. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال المصنف رحمه الله تعالى ونفعنا به وبعلومه وأمدنا بأسراره في الدارين آمين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وأقل زمان تحيد فيه المرأة 9 سنين وأقل الحمل 6 أشهر وأكثره 4 سنين وغالبه 9 أشهر ويحرم بالحيض والنفاس 8 أشياء: الصلاة والصوم وقراءة القرآن ومس المصحف وحمله ودخول المسجد والطواف والوضوء والاستمتاع بما بين السرة والركبة. ويحرم على الجنوب 5 أشياء: الصلاة وقراءة القرآن ومس المصحف وحمله والطواف واللبث في المسجد. ويحرم على المحدث 3 أشياء: الصلاة والطواف ومس المصحف وحمله. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Wa aqallu zamanin utawi a most little duration of a blood. Wa aqallu zamanin utawi a most little duration, like that. Tahidu, doing a blood or haid, fihi in the time. Fihi in the time sapa al mar'atu, a woman, or you can write a female. Wa aqallu zamanin utawi a most little duration. Tahidu, doing a blood, or you can write haid, like that. Fihi in the time sapa al mar'atu, a woman, sapa al mar'atu, a female. Wa aqallu zamanin utawi a most little duration. Tahidu, haid, or doing a blood, fihi in the time sapa al mar'atu, a woman or a female. Ikutis usinina. Ikutis usinina 9 egg. Ikutis usinina 9 egg. So for example, there is a woman or female has 9 egg, sudah berumur 9 tahun, she can do a blood or haid. Because of a most little duration for someone who has a blood that must minimal 9 egg. Wa aqallul hamli 6 ashhurin. Wa aqallul hamli utawi the most little duration a pregnant. Wa aqallul hamli utawi the most little duration pregnant. Because alhamlu hamil, how to say in English, a pregnant. The most little duration a pregnant for a female iku sittatu ashhurin 6 months iku sittatu ashhurin 6 months. Someone, or you can say a woman, has getting married with someone or a man. After that, doing make love. After that, he has a pregnant. And then the most little duration a pregnant, that 6 months. Waqtaruhu utawi mon duration a pregnant. Iku arba'u sinina. 4 years. And then the month duration a pregnant for someone who has a pregnant, that 4 years. For example, madhabuna al-Imam Asy-Syafi'i, he is in the stomach, in the stomach 4 years, because amount duration of pregnant for someone in the stomach, that's 4 years. Imam Syafi'i 4 years in the stomach of his mother after getting birth. And then what is that? Imam Abu Hanifah has passed away, like that. Wa ghalibuhu utawi, and a common duration of pregnant ikutis atu ashhurin 9 months, ikutis atu ashhurin 9 months. And then the common duration of pregnant, that 9 months. For usually someone has a pregnant, after doing pregnant 9 months, then he will do birth, like that. What is that? She will do birth of her child. Wayahrumu and forbid. Wayahrumu and forbid bil haidi, with haid, or doing a blood of female. Wan nifasi and nifas, doing a blood after giving a birth. Iku thamaniyatu asya'a, there are 8. And then forbidden for someone who has a blood after giving birth, or after doing a blood. For female or for woman, it's forbidden for egg. What is that? For egg, I mean forbidden to do egg something. Then for the first time, as-sholatu, rupane, praying. A woman who has doing a blood or had or after giving birth might not to do praying. Was-saumu, and fasting. After doing a blood might not fasting. And then wa qiraatul Qur'ani, and reading of Holy Quran. Wa qiraatul Qur'ani, and reading of Holy Quran. A woman or female might not reading of Holy Quran after doing a blood or after, what is that? Giving birth. Wa masul mushafi, and touch of Holy Quran. Wa masul mushafi, and touch of Holy Quran. Wa hamluhu, and bring of Holy Quran. Wa tukhulul masjidi, and also for a woman after doing a blood might not enter to the mosque. Wa tukhulul masjidi, the meaning is enter to the mosque, like that. Get in or enter to the mosque. Get in or enter, up to you. Wa tukhulul masjidi, and enter or get in the mosque. Wa tawafu, and tawaf. Last time I have looked for with Mister in the room. I look for what is the translate of at-tawaf. Mister said to me that the meaning of tawaf circumambulation. Or if you don't know, we look for the nice one. You can write and doing around of Ka'bah like that. Because if you only give the meaning around, the meaning in Arabic is not at-tawaf. And then at-tawaf, the meaning is circumambulation or doing around of Ka'bah. Someone who has doing a blood after giving a birth might not to do around to Ka'bah or circumambulation. Wal wat'u and wat'i. What the meaning wat'i? Wat'i, how to say in English, is making a love or intercourse. Intercourse, or you can write making a love. Why for someone or woman might not do making a love or intercourse after getting a blood or after giving a birth? Because of next time if someone doing like that, then she has been what's that, getting out of a blood. I afraid, in my opinion, I afraid for the child after born, setelah melahirkan, and then for the child is, what is that, how to say in English, cacat, like that. So that's why for someone who has getting a blood, so might not to do al-wat'i, or you can say making a love like that, or intercourse. Wal wat'u and making a love, all in or intercourse. How to spell intercourse? I-N-T-E-R and then C-O-U-R-S-E, intercourse. Wal wat'u and making a love, or you can write intercourse. Wal istimta'u, and then also wal istimta'u and enjoy. You can write like that, and enjoy. Bima, with something, baina surrati, between the navel, warukbati, and between the knee. What the meaning knee? Knee is lutut. So someone who has getting a blood or after giving birth might not to do something between the navel and knee. It is you must remember for a human or female, for the female, so may not do something, there are 8. For the first, it might not do praying, and then wasaumu and fasting, and read Holy Quran and touch of Holy Quran, and also bring of Holy Quran, and then might not also enter to the mass, and then doing around of Ka'bah or circumambulation, and then also may not to do making love or intercourse, wal istimta'u bima baina surrati warukbati, and also may not enjoy with something between a navel and knee. Wayahrumu and forbid alal junubi who has janabah, alal junubi who has janabah, apa khamsatu asya'a, there are 5. Apa khamsatu asya'a, there are 5 something. For the first time, as-salatu, namely praying, wa qiraatul Qur'ani, and reading of Holy Quran, wa qiraatul Qur'ani, and reading of Holy Quran. Someone who has janabah might not to do reading of Holy Quran, and then also praying. For example, I have janabah, and then I follow my friend to do praying, and then for me it's forbidden because I have janabah. Wa mashul mushafi, and touch of Holy Quran, wa hamluhu, and bring of Holy Quran. Same with someone or girl has had, it's might not to do bring of Holy Quran or touch of Holy Quran. Wa tawafu, and doing around of Ka'bah, or you can write circumambulation. The meaning is tawaf. Wallubthu, and standing. Fil masjidi, in the mosque. Fil masjidi, in the mosque. Wallubthu, and standing. Fil masjidi, in the mosque. For someone who has janabat may not to do something that there are 5. For the first time is praying, and then reading of Holy Quran, and then touch of Holy Quran, and then also bring of Holy Quran, or doing around to Ka'bah, or circumambulation, and then also and standing in the mosque. Wa yahrumu, and forbid also alal muhdisi. Wa yahrumu, and forbid alal muhdisi, who has not ablution. Apa salah satu asya'a, there are 3 something. As-salatu, that praying, wa tawafu, and circumambulation, wa masul mushafi, and touch of Holy Quran, wa hamluhu, and bring of Holy Quran. Someone who has not ablution may not to do something. There are 3. It's praying, circumambulation, or touch of Holy Quran, or bring of Holy Quran. And then for muhdis, or who has ablution, it's not forbid to standing in the mass. For example, I and you have not ablution, so I and you might to do standing in the mass, like that. Kitabus sholati, as-sholatu al-mafrudatu, wallahu alam bissawab. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I continue from yesterday. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Faslun. Continue from yesterday. Tahirun mutahhirun wa ghairu makruhin istimaluhu wa huwa al-ma'u al-mutlaqu. Wa tahirun mutahhirun makruhun. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qauluhu al-wawu harfu atfin mabniyun 'alal fathi. Qauluhu tahirun ma'tufun lil marfu'i marfu'un man'udun. Qauluhu tahirun ma'tufun lil marfu'i marfu'un ma'tufun. Qauluhu mutahhirun, I read slowly. Qauluhu mutahhirun na'tun lil marfu'i marfu'un. And then qauluhu makruhun na'tun lil marfu'i marfu'un. Qauluhu isti'malu naibu fa'ilin marfu'un mudhafun. Qauluhu isti'malu naibu fa'ilin marfu'un mudhafun. Qauluhu hu mudhafun ilaihi fi mahalli jarrin, mudhafun ilaihi fi mahalli jarrin. Qauluhu wa istinafun, I repeat again, wa huwa al-ma'u al-musammasu. Qauluhu wa istinafun. Qauluhu huwa mubtada'un fi mahalli raf'in. Qauluhu huwa mubtada'un fi mahalli raf'in. Min dhamiri munfasilin mabniyun 'alal fathi. Min dhamiri munfasilin mabniyun 'alal fathi. Wa huwa al-ma'u al-musammasu. Qauluhu al-ma'u khabarun marfu'un man'utun. Wa huwa al-ma'u marfu'un khabarun marfu'un man'utun. And then al-musammasu. Qauluhu al-musammasu na'tun lil marfu'i marfu'un. min ismi maf'uli syammasa yusyammisu wa dzaka musyammasun. Min ismi maf'uli syammasa yusyammisu wa dzaka musyammasun. Wa huwa al-ma'u al-musammasu. And then wa tahirun ghairu mutahhirin li ghairihi wa huwa al-ma'u al-musta'malu. And then one paragraph again. Wa harfu atfin mabniyun 'alal fathi. Qauluhu wa harfu atfin mabniyun 'alal fathi. I continue. Qauluhu tahirun that ma'tufun lil marfu'i marfu'un man'utun. Qauluhu tahirun that's ma'tufun lil marfu'i marfu'un man'utun. Qauluhu ghairu na'tun lil marfu'i marfu'un mudhafun, because khairu that must mudhaf to another word. Qauluhu mutahhirin mudhafun ilaihi majrurun, so you can read wa tahhirun ghairu mutahhirin like that, because mutahhirin here mudhafun ilaihi majrurun. Qauluhu li ghairihi wa huwa al-ma'u al-musta'malu. Li ghairi harfu jarrin mabniyun 'alal kasri. Harfu jarrin mabniyun 'alal kasri wa majrurun bi harfi jarrin. I mean lafdhu ghairi that majrur bi harfi jarrin mudhafun. I repeat again. Qauluhu li ghairi harfu jarrin mabniyun 'alal kasri wa majrurun bi harfi jarrin mudhafun. And then qauluhu hi mudhafun ilaihi fi mahalli jarrin. Qauluhu hi mudhafun ilaihi fi mahalli jarrin. So from lafdhu li ghairihi, lafdhu ghairu that's mudhaf, and then lafdhu hi I mean dhamir hi in here that's mudhaf ilaih fi mahalli jarrin. Wa huwa al-ma'u al-musta'malu. Qauluhu wa isti'nafun. Wa isti'nafun. Qauluhu huwa dhamirun munfasilun fi mahalli raf'in mubtada'un. Huwa dhamirun munfasilun fi mahalli raf'in mubtada'un. Wa huwa utawi, so like that. If you give tarkib wa huwa utawi. Huwa dhamirun munfasilun fi mahalli raf'in mubtada'un. And then qauluhu al-ma'u khabarun marfu'un man'utun. Qauluhu al-musta'malu na'tun lil marfu'i marfu'un. Al-musta'malu na'tun lil marfu'i marfu'un. Min ismi maf'uli istamala yasta'milu wa dzaka musta'malun. Min ismi maf'uli istamala yasta'milu wa dzaka musta'malun. I mean from lafdhu al-musta'malu that sayhot isim maf'ul. So you can write min ismi maf'uli istamala yasta'milu wa dzaka musta'malun. Qauluhu wal mutaghayyiru bima khalatahu minat tahirati wallahu alam bisawab. I think enough from what I have write, for I have write and then I read to you all. I hope it will be useful, or you can study again, study hard if you want to clever, or if you want to with that clever or smart, so you must many studying, or you can say it study hard. I think enough from what I have said to you all, or my explanation. If you found many mistake from me, I apologize to you all. Wallahu alam wa lafu minkum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Maulaya shalli wa sallim daiman abad la habibika khairul khalqi kulli huwal habibul ladzi turja